So as you can see, these are the welds with the rod wrapped with copper wire. I mean, like I said, I need a lot more practice on my welding, but I mean, they grab pretty good. You just gotta keep track of the heat. Those were welded earlier. Go to the other side. I didn't weld everywhere, I just welded enough to where it's gonna grab. I don't think it's gonna break off with as much metal that it has. But it does work. Grabbing the rods with wrapping them with copper wire. That's another way of welding it. I mean, if you don't want to waste, or you can't get a hold, or you don't have that much money on your budget to be buying nickel rods, that's an alternative, cheap alternative. See how the project goes.